the Scarecrow is leaning and its clothes are all torn from the wind.
Oh dear, the summer winds have been quite strong. Let's fix him up together.
Hold the bamboo steady, Rosie, like this. I've got it. The knots need to be very tight. This blue piece will look nice as a patch for his shirt. That is a perfect choice, Rosie. The colors match the sky. Pull the thread through slowly so it holds strong. It looks almost as good as new, don't you think? A wide-brimmed hat will keep him cool in the summer sun. Indeed, he deserves a bit of shade, just like us. Tilt it a bit more to the left so it doesn't fly away. There, he looks quite dapper now. The tomatoes are so red and ripe today, Mom. They will be wonderful in our vegetable noodles. I'll start boiling the water for the noodles. That would be lovely. Let's keep the fire steady. Make sure to wash the leaves well, dear. I'm scrubbing them carefully. They are so crisp. Look at how juicy these garden tomatoes are.
They smell so sweet, just like the afternoon sun.
We should make a salad with them right away. Here go the noodles, right into the pot. Excellent, they only need a few minutes now. The colors are beautiful, green and red together.
It looks like a painting in a bowl.
I'm so hungry, this smells absolutely divine. Let's carry these to the porch and eat in the breeze. It's so much cooler out here on the porch. Yes, the breeze is perfect for a midday meal.
The noodles are perfectly cooked, Mom.
I am glad you enjoy them. It is our own harvest. Look at Honey. He thinks the Scarecrow is his new friend.
He is so playful. He just wants to see who the newcomer is.
He's wagging his tail at the Scarecrow.
Maybe he feels the Scarecrow is protecting the garden, too. Let me help you with the bowls, Mom. Thank you. You are a great helper today. The garden feels so much happier now. A little care goes a long way, doesn't it?
Shall we read a book inside now?
Yes, that sounds like a lovely afternoon plan. get a new friend in our garden. I love our peaceful afternoons like this. Me too, dear. It is good to slow down. Would you like some tea with your reading?
Yes, please. That would be lovely.
This tea is so warming. It is made from herbs in our own garden. I am happy we fixed the garden today.
Everything feels so much better now. I hope Honey stays warm out there.
He is very happy, I am sure of it.
Let us put the books away for now. Okay, it's getting a bit darker now. I'll go check on Honey one last time. Bring him inside if it gets too cold.
Oh, he is already fast asleep. Let him rest, the evening air is nice.
It was a good day, wasn't it?
It truly was, my darling.
I'm ready for dinner.
Let's prepare something warm for tonight.
Honey, come on, time to go inside.
He will follow us soon, don't worry. The evening feels so quiet tonight.
Yes, the perfect time for rest. Good night, Mom.
Good night, dear Rosie. The Scarecrow looks so brave in the moonlight.
He is our silent guardian of the garden.
rests after a long day of sun. I'm glad we worked on the garden today.
Me too. It brings us closer to the land. I can't wait for tomorrow's work.
Rest well. Tomorrow is another beautiful day.